L&T Electrical and Automation is part of Larsen & Toubro, India's largest technology, engineering, construction and manufacturing company in the private sector. The electrical and automation business offers a wide range of products and solutions for electricity distribution and control in industries, utilities, infrastructure, buildings and agriculture sectors. Its offering includes low and medium voltage switchgear components, electrical systems, marine switchgear, industrial and building automation solutions, surveillance systems, energy meters and protection relays. All of L&T's offerings are manufactured with a conscious effort to consistently offer top quality products. Consistent quality in manufacturing is supported by Electrical and Automation's 5 decades of experience in design and development. Let us walk through these contemporary manufacturing practices and the total quality route. It all begins with a comprehensive suppliers quality assurance program in place. Suppliers are evaluated on critical parameters and graded through a quality systems audit. The program aims at upgrading their performance through extensive training and even rewards them for improvements and deployment of best practices. This ensures quality and smooth flow of all input material. The quality inspection process is comprehensive. During manufacturing, sophisticated equipment come into play in testing and inspection. This machine checks all the molded and press components with high precision. The CMM checks dimensional measurements and can also measure 3D dimensions with accuracy of 4 microns for a range of 0 to 300 millimeters. TMM is used for accurate measurement of dimensions of tiny components. This machine has lenses of specific magnification up to 10x and it can verify the component profile with CAD drawing. Another machine in the laboratory includes TriMOS height gauge, which is highly useful for the component manufacturing shop. This can also be connected with data acquisition software with a number of readings for statistical analysis. Let us have a look at one of the finest tool rooms in the industry. This full-fledged tool room is equipped to design, manufacture and maintain the press tools and molds which play a pivotal role in quality and consistency of each and every component in any product. Experts in the engineered tooling solutions provide top-class gauges and fixtures for product manufacturing. This facility houses some of the finest machines in the industry like Haas milling machine, Mazak milling machine, Moore jig grinder and Makino wire cut machine and others. The manufacturing shop is equipped with state-of-the-art machines like Makino Machine Center, Bruderer high-speed press, Imatec grinding machine, Cross Mephi molding machine and BNR coil winding machine. Makino carries out multiple operations at a high speed with high precision. The high-speed press is a Swiss machine with working speed of 1200 strokes per minute. The magnets required for contactors are manufactured in-house with this sophisticated machine using L&T's own patented process. Grinding machine procured from Switzerland carries out milling and grinding in one setting and makes one magnet every 15 seconds. The high-end molding machine from Germany offers world-class solution in DMC injection molding. All these machines are highly automated and impart unbelievable speed and high precision in manufacturing. Silver plating. Performance of electrical products rests largely on the process of silver plating. A state-of-the-art, fully automated bright silver plating plant ensures uniform thickness, better tarnish, and corrosion resistance. The SCADA programming takes care of the plant operation without any manual intervention. Special in-house process helps achieve better conductivity, optimum hardness and ductility that result into lower temperature rise and improved heat dissipation. Brazing. The critical process of brazing is carried out by specialized workforce on semi-automated brazing setups. Skilled hands ensure optimum bonding of contact and terminal joint. PMR assembly room. PMR, or Permanent Magnet Relay, is a critical sub-assembly for RCCB and ELMCB products. The sub-assembly needs the highest level of hygiene during production and testing. This specially designed assembly shop maintains the clean room environment. Along the total quality route, the components are transferred to the assembly area, where they are put together to form the final product. Mistake proofing, popularly known by the Japanese term pokayoke, is an essential part of the improvement process in the assembly shop. The assembly shop and packing shop follow the 5S system of housekeeping: Seri, sort out; Siton, set in order; Siso, shine; Siketsu, standardize; and Shitsuke, sustain. Automation and smart practices are the buzzwords on shop floor. Automated assembly line for the manufacturing of U-Power air circuit breakers is a testimony to this fact. It ensures completion of defined jobs on each workstation or mistake proofing. Fully automated testing fixture for mechanism testing helps simulation on the breakers. Apart from shaft verification process and mechanism setting, the automated 50 operations test for free movement contributes to accuracy and saving of time. The manufacturing line for different types of MCCBs is automated for production, testing and packaging. Testing is rigorous and comprehensive. Routine tests are carried out on test benches, which are calibrated and certified at periodic intervals. The decision-making of passing the product is solely decided by computerized programs. This is how the high quality of each product is ensured and logged in the computers. The software-based mechanical endurance test setup is fully equipped to verify the mechanical life of MCCB, validate new modifications and life of accessories, as well as analyze customer complaints. All this is possible by scanning the barcode and without feeding any data. Let us look at this MCB assembly shop that produces one MCB every 2 seconds. This is possible because of fully automated assembly line with testing line, printing line, and packing line. All these lines are synchronized in such a way that the MCB moves through all stations seamlessly and is ready for dispatch. The Quality Assurance Department has different in-house labs accredited by NABL, National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories, as per international standards. These labs are equipped with the latest equipment and facilities like Rapid Eye Video Measuring Machine with Touch Probe, Universal Testing Machine or UTM, Dry Arc Resistance Tester, Ultraviolet Test Chamber, and many others. IS Test Setup. This fully automated setup is used for unmanned testing of products as per IS IEC for the electrical characteristics. We are reaching the final stages of the contemporary manufacturing practices and quality journey. L&T adopts the best practices of global industry. Practices like concurrent engineering engage various functions right from the development stage of the product. The system of composite product Sigma helps to monitor health of the product. L&T has institutionalized value engineering for cost competitiveness. Everyone at L&T Electrical and Automation believes that success, reputation, and leadership in the industry come from the quality and reliability of products. We have the facilities, the people, and the commitment. We know that the highest standards need to be sustained every hour, every batch, every product. And we will always strive to keep our quality flag flying high.